How to cancel process in Goodbudget, or how to cancel your Goodbudget account or subscription. In this video, we are going to learn how to cancel your Goodbudget account or subscription step by step, whether you are switching to another app or simply taking a break from budgeting. I'll walk you through the entire process. First things first, canceling your free account. If you are using the free version of Goodbudget and want to close your account, you have to follow these steps in order to close your account. First things first, you can go to the Goodbudget website or the Goodbudget app. Let me open my app and go inside it. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. Once you're inside the Goodbudget, simply tap on three dots right over here. Then tap on settings. Now scroll down and there you can see an option for close household. Simply tap on it. That will open you up to the website. That will take you to this type of interface. Let's scroll down and here you can see close household. Contact us at the support@goodbudget.com to get back on the track to your budget. Click on the button below to close your household. Forever, you will lose the access to the envelopes, accounts with the transaction. And there's written of three things for you. Never log into the web again, never see your data on your phone again, and never be billed again. Warning me, this action cannot be undone. Are you sure you want to do this? We'll miss you option, and at last there's an option for yes, I will never use my data again. Simply tap on it and that will permanently cancel your account. And in case if you have subscribed through the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, you will need to cancel through your phone subscription settings. For that, simply go to the Google Play Store. There you can see an option for payment and subscription. Tap on it and over here go to the subscriptions. And if you have subscribed through Google Play, you will find Goodbudget right over here. Simply tap on cancel subscription. Before cancelling, consider exporting your budget or transaction history for future reference. And if you are taking a break, you can downgrade to the free plan instead of deleting your account completely. I hope this helped you understand how you cancel budget, account or subscription. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.